Keychron has introduced a new gaming mouse to the Chinese market called the G3 Air. It is priced at 599 yuan, $88, and is now available on JD.com. The G3 Air weighs 43 grams. Instead of using a honeycomb shell with visible holes to reduce weight, Keychron opted for a solid shell made from a composite material containing 30% carbon fiber. The company says this allows the exterior plastic to be just 0.65 mm thick while maintaining enough structural strength to prevent creaking or flexing during use. The internal frame also uses a cross-brace design for added rigidity. In terms of dimensions, the mouse measures 120 by 63 by 38.3 mm, which is generally suited for users with small to medium-sized hands. It has a symmetrical shape with a narrower middle section and a wider back, a standard design meant to work with palm, claw, or fingertip grip styles. The exterior has a matte, textured finish for better grip, and the bottom features standard 100% PTFE feet to help it glide smoothly across a mousepad. Inside, the G3 Air is equipped with a PixArt PAW3950 optical sensor and a Nordic 54L15 controller. The sensor goes up to 30,000 dpi, handles tracking speeds of 750 IPS, and supports 50G acceleration. You can also adjust the lift-off distance between 3 different settings. For the main left and right clicks, Keychron is using TTC Falcon micro switches, which are rated for a lifespan of 80 million clicks. For connectivity, the mouse supports both a wired connection and 2.4 GHz wireless. Both modes support an 8,000 Hz polling rate. To support this, Keychron includes a dedicated 8K wireless receiver that features a small, built-in color display. This screen shows practical, real-time information like the current DPI, polling rate, and the remaining capacity of the mouse's 200 mAh battery. The G3 Air is available in black and white color options. You can customize the sensor settings, polling rates, and button layouts through Keychron's desktop software. In related news, Dara has recently unveiled a new lightweight gaming mouse with a custom PixArt sensor and 8K wireless polling, while Xiaomi recently introduced the Wireless Mouse 4 Pro featuring dynamic scrolling and silent click buttons.